Hi everyone. What's up with you guys today? This is another day, and today is actually August the 31st, 2020. And I try to make a video every day, and since this is my day off, I'm going to probably make more videos. I have other YouTube channels. I'm going to promote myself everywhere again. Um, I'm actually branding myself and actually promoting my millionaire mentors because I have become so successful with them. I want to reach out to you guys because what they can do for you, the done for you services is a legit company. These millionaire mentors actually have a heart, and they actually have proof that they have made millionaires already. Guys, if you are tired of working your 9 to 5 job, if you're working a 12-hour shift, are you worth that paycheck? Are you really, really worth that paycheck? I'm still working 12-hour shifts, and actually, I am, because of taking Wesley overnight millionaire course, is actually changing my mind. I feel like quitting my job actually, um, but I have to be wise too at the same time, because I have to, because becoming a millionaire is not instant. It's a process, and for me, I need to be in a right. I have to walk slow, and it's a process because meditation and the way you think subconsciously has to be in line with uh, success. Okay, you always got to have a successful, positive attitude, and we have old habits, guys. We have to actually go through a cleansing, right? We got to go through a cleansing first. Okay, you got to be patient, all right? And it takes time to build, and it's like a ladder. Like of course, when you start a business, right? You have to invest. It's the same thing with mindset. You have to invest in your meditation. You've got to learn how to meditate, and you've got to believe in yourself mostly. A lot of us struggle because of our belief. So that takes time to change, guys. You can't just make money and be a millionaire and your belief is not changed. You got to really, really believe in the way you think and your thoughts. Okay, so what I have right here in front of you is what is a mindset, right? Our mindset is made up of our beliefs, our ideas, and our attitudes. Thinking about our mindset can help us when we do things, especially when we face a challenge, right? Okay, how many of you guys are facing many challenges, and how are you handling your challenges? Is it negative? Are you complaining? Are you actually looking beyond your complaint? Are you grateful? Okay. Are you grateful and thankful for the little things where you're at? Are you thankful for the small things that irritate you? What I mean by that is you can complain about a little thing, and how are you taking that little thing? Are you grateful about it? Right? So it's actually how we believe, right? Produces faith, and when we meditate, guys, we need to get in the Veda state. We need to see and confess and think, reprogram our mind. Actually, it's just reprogramming your mind, the right thinking, and just getting rid of all the negative. Stay away from being victimized. Don't become a victim. All right, guys. We have to approach life challenges every day. Okay. Sometimes we don't see like we're not getting anywhere, but you cannot even um, think about that, okay? You can't give into that belief, because once you do that, you're going to victimize yourself, right? And we got to stay away from being a victim. And a lot of times we criticize ourselves, and then we destroy our faith, right? And we don't want to feed our minds negative thoughts, disbelief, complaints. We got to be grateful. We got to be grateful for life, grateful all the time, gratefully, and give thanks, because God is our creator, and he actually wants to bless you, okay? The higher power wants to bless you. And I believe in deep meditation, you can actually connect with the almighty, powerful God. And he is beyond this reality world. Guys, if you are a Christian, and you have to really, really connect. Meditation is the way to connect with God and to talk with God. And if we take the time, in my belief, taking the time and thinking about God and talking to God really, really does a lot of great results. All right, because you're still thinking positive. You're not thinking selfish. You're allowing God. See, when you get closer to God, you get more peace, you get more love, you become more grateful and thankful. And he is your partner. My God is my partner, so he's always number one. So don't forget, God is always number one. And it doesn't matter what you believe, guys. If you have a lot of faith in your belief, and you believe in meditation, I believe in meditation. Meditation actually helps you in your subconscious mind to change bad habits. All right, guys. Okay, I'm going to make this little video short, but I also want to include, I got an idea because when I was meditating. And because I am a musician, I'm actually going to plan to make a mantra with my voice. I really believe that it's going to help a lot of people, and I'm going to actually upload it on YouTube. Okay, so I am going to make a meditation video, and I'm going to take you through meditation in a really, really deep way. A little bit about me, guys. I worship, I praise God. I'm a musician. I was part of a worship team, and a lot of people know I do a lot of things. Of course, my mom always told me I'm the jack of all trades because I do it all. I cut hair. I'm a barber. I'm a CNA. I'm a nurse. I'm a phlebotomist. I mean, I do a lot, and I'm a singer. I've made albums, gospel albums, and I'm actually want to do more with my music. I've kind of like buried it because I've been working so much, but I know my life is going to change dramatically. I'm going to retire soon, and I'm going to be able to do a lot. I'm going to be able to teach people how to crochet. I've been crocheting, guys, since I was 8 years old. I actually have an Etsy shop. I have a shop in La Habra, California. I do craft shows throughout the year. Pretty much I do a lot. And I love being making videos on YouTube. I love internet marketing, especially affiliate marketing. I have spent so much money. I have even, and I've tried so many opportunities out there. Guys, have you guys ever heard of Mob? Mob was a disaster. I spent a lot of money with that. more than my new mentors offering me. I mean, I've even tried other internet marketing. What's the other one called? I can't even think about it. But anyway, that's all the past, guys. That's all the past. We learn through process when we do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not easy. Okay, guys, if you don't have the right people, the right mentors, but you know what? I have a solution for you. If you've been stuck, oh my gosh, take a look at my new mentors, what they are doing. These mentor millionaire billionaire Wesley Virgin, look at my videos and click on one of his videos. Guys, he is not no dummy. He is a multimillionaire. He has all the desires of his heart that he's worked hard for. Everybody has a different desire, guys. It might not be cars. It might be something else, okay? But he can actually help you accomplish and reach your goal, your financial freedom, where you be able to be a Samaritan to the world. Everybody has a special gift. I don't know what yours is, but I know mine is part is music, part is teaching my crafts, and deeply the music is the main is my main desire. And but guys, it's all in the mind. All right. So I'm just gonna make this video. I'm gonna end this video now, but let's read this again. What is a mindset? Our mindset is made up of beliefs, ideas, and attitudes. Thinking about our mindset can help us when we do things, especially when we face challenges. Okay, so guys, we gotta conquer challenges. Okay, do not be afraid. Just take that step and not be afraid. You're just gonna have to do it. Be like a childlike faith. That's what Wesley Virgin tells us. God expects us to be a childlike faith in order to become closer to grab a hold of faith in our life. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna end this video and let's go. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.